the meat I've been frying, the chicken. Going to make a pasta, and this is the pasta and the tomato, the ingredients. I'm going to use 1 of seasoning and black pepper and onion. So this is the ingredients I'm going to be putting inside. So it's enough now, guys. It has been frying, guys. I'm going to put the onions inside. I just add all my ingredients inside. After adding it, I turn it. Mix everything together. You can see the look, guys. Oh my god, you are going to love it. I leave it to cook like 5 minutes. So before I put the tomatoes inside, and I put a little bit of tomatoes before we add the pasta. You can see it, guys. It has been cooking for 5 minutes. So now I have my seasoning cube. Add a little bit of salt and vinegar. Yeah, just stir it. So you can see it, guys. It really looks lovely. I love this. So I'm going to be adding my tin tomatoes. This is the tin tomatoes, guys. I don't put a lot because I don't like tin tomatoes. I just put a little bit. Then add my tomatoes to it. You can see the look, guys. It really look lovely. I love this. For the sauce, I'm going to remove from it because it's a lot before I add the pasta to it and put it inside the fridge, because the pasta is not a lot as the sauce. So I just leave it to cook like 10 minutes before I add the pasta to it. I already removed from the sauce. This is the one I removed. This, you have been cooking like almost 11 minutes now. So this is the main one on the pasta. So I just turn it to it. So I stir it together. Just keep turning it till everything mixed together. So your pasta is ready. You can see it, guys. It really look. My god, you guys should bring your plate and come and eat. Karela, go and bring your plate and come and eat. I just keep mixing till everything mixed together. You can see it, guys. Everything is already mixed. You can see it, guys. It really look lovely. So that is the process. It's finished. You can see it. It really look lovely. I love it.